I will show you if this Baicloud silk and fiber repair shipping shorts, if these products are scam or not. I've got all the proofs. You just have to stay with me till the end. First of all, first thing you will see is that this same product is being sold by hundreds of websites or hundreds of brands. Like this is Pearl Moon, and these are all sold on different. This is Colney, this is Anoij, and there are like this hundreds of other brands, hundreds of other sellers, Longto, and all these are selling the same product with different brand names. So what they are exactly doing here is that they are importing it from China, from this AliExpress, basically aliexpress.com, which is basically Amazon of China, but they sell these products at very cheap prices, and they are ordering it from there and they are selling it to here. Now what are the claims they are making are very huge, and sometimes they are very fake. They are claiming that they reduce their fat loss happens, and this much fat loss, this is not at all possible. All these are fake claims. Like these marks, they are showing that this will go away. This is not going to happen. So these are all very tall, and these are very scam type of claims they are making. And if you will see reviews of people here, and most of the people are getting the product that is very small, extremely small. They are not happy, and this person has even ordered the same product twice, and they got the same product small size than the original one they ordered. And on other websites also, you will see, even on AliExpress, if you will see, they have more negative reviews than the positive reviews, like 2 star only here. And all of them just are saying the same thing: the product size is very small. So it's up to you if you really want to buy this, but this is not a very good product, I will say.